Alright. Well, got an unboxing of 90 packs for Dice Masters Uncanny X-Men. Let's get into it. Protector card, Magic, and Namor. And it's the rare Magic. That's pretty cool. There's their dice. Very nice. Alright. Next up is Psylocke and Red Hulk. Uncommon Psylocke, common Red Hulk. Marvel Girl and Bishop. Common and uncommon. And we got common Cerebro and uncommon Red Hulk. This is an interesting one. Pyro and Iceman in the same pack. Uncommon Iceman and common Pyro. Interesting to get a fire and ice pack. Let's see. Mr. Sinister and Mystique. Common and uncommon. Looks like the color is a bit faded on the Mystique die. Can't really blame it. It says this is one of the older sets. Let's see. Ant-Man and Mr. Sinister. Let's see. We got Mystique and Cable. Oh, that's a better Mystique die. The color on that one hasn't faded. Red Hulk and Captain America. Well, you've already seen the Red Hulk die multiple times. We got Pyro and Psylocke. You've already seen their dies, but I mean, they look nice. We got us, another rare. Professor X and Storm. Nice. Well, that's so far 2 rares. Another Cerebro and a Sentinel. Wolverine and Mr. Sinister. We got us another Ant-Man and Professor X. Although, honestly, this common version of Professor X is actually really handy for cycling through your bag. Another pack with, wow, back-to-back Ant-Man, Professor X. But this time it's a rare Ant-Man instead of the uncommon. X-23 and Professor X. Wait a minute. That's like 3 or 4 Professor X's in a row. Here's X-23's die. Red Hulk and uncommon Ant-Man. Well, here's an interesting one. Double Professor. That makes like 5 Professor X pulled. Majority being the common, but eh. Emma Frost and Bishop. Kind of a letdown pack. Just 2 commons. There we go. I mean, Emma's die is actually pretty fitting. One with her whole turning into diamond skin. Okay. Mr. Sinister and Apocalypse. And it's another pack of just commons. There's the Apocalypse die, although that side was a little misprinted. And our first Sabretooth. Uncommon Sabretooth and Common Storm. Although, honestly, that version of Storm's not too bad. Since she's a low cost and she can't be damaged by actions. Okay. So, Uncommon Iceman and Common X-23. And our second Magic. Uncommon Magic and Common Red Hulk. I mean, she's pretty tanky. Let's see. Uncommon Ant-Man and Common Cable. Another Ant-Man and a She-Hulk. Come on. Sometimes the damn thing just does not want to focus. There we go. Let's see. Some Magic and X-23. We've got Cable and Emma. Cerebro and Captain America. Oh, here's another new one. Black Panther and Cerebro. Oh, two new ones this time. Toad and Spider-Man. Toad and Red Hulk. She-Hulk and Emma. Seem to have only been pulling the common version of Emma Frost. Oh, here's another new one. Angel, accompanied by Magic. Oh, here's another new one. Cyclops. I do like the coloring on this die. Mystique and Cable. Still haven't seen Magneto yet. Oh. We got an Iron Man, and it's the rare version. Come on. There we go. Definitely fitting with that iteration of Iron Man being the black suit. Oh. We got another new one. And this time it's the super rare of the batch. Scarlet Witch. got a rare hit Professor X and common Bishop. Oh. We got a repeat of the first pack. Rare Magic and common Namor. Back-to-back rares. We got Rare Cable and Common Sentinel. Rare Red Hulk and Spidey. Huh. Hang on a minute. That was like 4 or 5 rares back to back, including the super rare. Either really good luck here or just some packaging error. Cyclops and more. Well, that broke the streak. Rare She-Hulk. Huh. Getting a surprising amount of rares. I mean, we got the super rare out of this bundle, so it's doubtful that there's going to be another one. Let's just keep pressing through. Ant-Man and Bishop. We got Apocalypse and Marvel Girl. Storm and She-Hulk. We've got a Wolverine and a Mr. Sinister. Looks like we got a new one. Rare Vision. That's pretty cool. Come on. For some reason, the damn thing turned off. Oh, got another new one. Juggernaut. got another rare Red Hulk. Red Hulk and Pyro. Definitely have plenty of Red Hulks. Oh, we got the rare Captain America. So basically pulling it the majority of the rares here. We finally get Magneto. Well, seeing how we got a pack of Iceman and Pyro, be interesting to see a pack with Professor X and Magneto. And Namor and Magic. These two have been popping up together a lot. Marvel Girl and Captain America. And a back-to-back Marvel Girl. Well, we at least got another new one. Falcon. Mr. Sinister and Emma. Being another pack of just 2 commons. Getting annoyed of that damn light turning off on its own. Oh, rare Sentinel. Storm and Falcon. Come on. Well, this version of Falcon wouldn't be so bad for a speed beatdown deck, since he's a 2 cost. And yeah, he has pretty decent stats. Could do some good early game damage. You've got Marvel Girl and Sentinel. Ant-Man and Angel. I mean, Ant-Man's pretty similar on the regards of Falcon. 2-drop, yeah, with decent beatdown potential. And speaking of Falcon, I mean, they'd be a decent combo there. Do some pretty good damage together. Sabretooth and Pyro. We've got Cyclops and Pyro. We got Juggernaut and Storm. Another pack of 2 commons, but Spider-Man and Marvel Girl. Would you stop turning off on your own? Another common pack, being Toad and Sabretooth. We got Red Hulk and Toad. And Sabretooth and Black Panther in a common pack. And we get us another double pack. Common and uncommon Black Panther. Sabretooth and Falcon. Professor X and X-23 in a common pack. We got a rare Spider-Man. Takes half damage, rounded down from fist characters. Not bad. Back-to-back rares. Rare Falcon. Come on. There we go. And Psylocke and Sabretooth in a common pack. Pretty sure we've pulled basically everybody from this set in one form or another. So Psylocke, Black Panther in a common. X-23 and Magic. Really getting annoyed of this thing turning off on its own. X-23 and a rare Mr. Sinister. Not many packs left. We got Sentinel and Psylocke. Got Toad and Cerebro. Mr. Sinister and Iron Man. Cable and Toad. Oh, we got a rare Sabretooth. X-23 and Falcon. And more an Emma in a common pack. Got another Fire and Ice pack. Still would like to see a Magneto Professor X pack. Got a rare Mystique. Last 2 packs. And we got Cable and Red Hulk. Last pack. Oh, looks like the last pack is Ant-Man and Captain America. So, Ant-Man being the common, and ending it with the rare Captain America. Feel free to comment what your favorite card out of this set is, and I'll be trying to get another set of Dice Masters for unboxing. Well, hope to see you guys next time.